Okay, so today I'm gonna be solving binary tree vertical order traversal on a Lintcode. So the problem statement is the following. I have a binary tree and I need to return column by column traversal, and so like in this case the first column gonna be 9, the second one 3, 15, third one gonna be 20, and the fourth one gonna be 7. And in this case it's gonna be 4, 9, 3, 0, 1, because in case like it's matching, like it should be left to right orders, and then 8 and then 7. So how to do that? The first idea I had is to have a global map of columns and then save it under index, and every time I go to the left I decrement the current index, and every time I go to the right I increment the current index. So I'll have this function. I have function DFS, and then DFS, and then I have there node, tree node. Then I have index, or like column ID, column integer, and then let's say I have a map hash map. Can I do map? Okay. How to do that in Python? Typing Python map. Typing dictionary, okay. Typing Python map with int key and list value. Okay, dict int and then list string, okay. Dict like that. List int, okay. Okay. Let's close this. Let's close this. And then it will be doing the following. For the current node, let's check if node not equal, if not equal is none. I'm gonna return, and then current node. I'm gonna add current node to the map, and then go map, put column, and then new column equals map.get column, and then int by default a list, and then list equal then list append list append node dot val, and then map column equals list, and then I wanna go DFS column is, and then here I'm gonna be let's say mean, gonna be list of integer, list integer, DFS column. So, and also if the min call min c, and then here I'm gonna have min c equals min column, and then min c, and then column, and then DFS column -1 node left map min c up, and then the same DFS column +1 node right map, then min c and then I need to go call so I'm gonna have this map equals dictionary, and then min c equals 0 if root is none, then I'm gonna return just empty list. Otherwise I'll create this map, and then I'll create the min c, and then I'm gonna call DFS for the root, and for the map say no 0, and then map root, and then map, and then min c, and then I need to go in order to make my job easier. I'm gonna have also max c for the maximum column, last integer, max c gonna be max c, and then column, max c, and then for I in range min c max c +1, I'm gonna go and res call empty array, and then res append map I, and then return result. Okay, what's the problem? 40. Okay, 0, 3 node left, node right, map, and see max C, and here also max C. No, still. Oh, means C0 here, max C, 0 here, and also the same here, and then here. No. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so in this case, there is an error related to the ordering. Let me draw the tree. So I have 3, 9, 8, 0, 1, 7, 2, 5. So here 0, minus 1, 1, and here gonna be 0, and here gonna be minus 1, and here gonna be minus 1, here gonna be minus 2 column, here gonna be column 0, here gonna be column here gonna be column 1. So it should be 3, 301. Why 301? Three, 0, 1. No, 2, 8. Okay, this is matching. 2, 8. 7. Not matching. Okay, let's do the process again. So 3, then 9, then 8, 8, then 4, 0, 1, 7, then here nothing, here nothing, here nothing, 3 nothing, and then here 2, and here 5. So indexes 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 2. Okay, 7 has an index of 2. And then, okay, this one is check mark. Index of 1, 8 and 2, 2 and 8, 2, 8, 7. Okay, indexes of 0 gonna be 3, 3, 0, and then 1, 3, 0, 1. Okay, so because I assumed that if I'm gonna go left, gonna go right, it's never gonna be like this node seems, not this, to 8, 8, to 8, 8, 2. Okay, here, yeah, 2 and 8. It has like 2 and 8 has a column index 1, and then um, because I did TFS and I was already pre-selected the path, and then I'll assume that the 2, or like whatever I go to the last branch, never gonna be never gonna be to the left, to the right of what gonna be derived from a right branch. But actually there is a case when 2 should be, I put it like to 8, but then expected output is like 8-2. Why? Because not the same row, the order should be from left to right. So the vertical order matters here because like 8 was the 8 was first and 2 was like second. That's why it should be 8 to the correct way for the column 1. And this all gives me hint that like it should be not DFS. Well, I can do the DFS and then I can sort somehow, so I can attach to every value, I can attach the index, but I need then to sort the level. So I'll have this level variable, and then based on the level I insert it, and then I insert the pairs with the level, and then I sort it based on the level. But that is not quite natural. So instead of like writing DFS for this problem, I need to write BFS and somehow save the root. Oh, save the column. I can even save the column with the BFS in the BFS pair. Yeah, so that's the idea. So I'm gonna have the BFS right now. Removing this one. Let's check the time. Yeah, so BFS, and then let's just do the Q equals the list, and then I want to add a pair. The index 1 gonna be the root itself, and then column gonna be the second one, and then I'm gonna have this map of the result, and then while len q is greater than 0, I'm gonna have p equals q dot pop, and then I'm gonna put map dot get p1, and then here new integer, and then list gonna be this one, and then list dot append p0 dot val, and then map p0 no p1 equals list, and then min c equals say 0, and then max c equals 0, and then min c gonna be equal min with list p0 dot p1, and then min column, and then max c maximum column gonna be something like this, max column, and then I wanna get them, put the queue offer queue append list. Let's introduce the column column equals p1, so with the column I wanna get, and then pmap column, and then column here, and then append if node equals p0 node, if node dot left is not none, then queue dot append node left, then column -1, and then if node right not none, I want to queue append node dot right column +1, and then I want to go through the for I in range from min to max column. I wanna go, that's gonna be array. I'm gonna go res append map and then I, something like this. Is, should I do is not done? Okay, so that's gonna be it. No input. Okay, that's an interesting case. If root is none, return just empty. Still an issue. Why? Okay. Output. So it's a different tree. Let's check it out. So 3, 3, 9, 84017, and then the columns 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 2. And then in this case it should be minus 4, minus 9, 301, 8, and then 7. But in my case it is not so here, and I wonder why. 301. Three, and then it should be so pop is 0. Okay, so I assumed that popping is doing from the start of the queue, but it was actually from the end. Okay, that's gonna be it. Let's check what the people are saying here. Okay, Java, same BFS, queues, Python. Okay, whatever, I'll stop the video.